Hey guys, and welcome back to another Clean With Me. If you're in need of a little Monday motivation to start the week off right. So today I'm cleaning and decorating the house for Christmas, but I will be doing a full Christmas house tour coming soon. So first off, I wanted to give the hallway a deep clean. So I started off by using one of these Pledge fluffy dusters to get rid of all the dust. Then I ran a bowl full of warm water mixed with a squirt of washing up liquid and a cap full of Sephlora's Festive Fireside. I used this with a damp sponge to clean down all the banisters, the doors and the skirting. Just be careful to not get the carpet wet with the solution if you do have carpets in the hallway like I do. After everything had dried off, I went in with this garland that I picked up last year from Poundland for only £2. I will link the video from last year down below if you want to see fully how I decorated it and where everything was from. But I adore how effective this looks down the banister, as it just brings the hallway to life for Christmas. I also picked up this big red star from Poundland last year as well for only £5. And the good news is, guys, I've seen this in there again this year if you're looking for something similar. Then last but not least, on the stairs, I just wanted to hoover everything up because that garland does make a little bit of mess when you're decorating it. Then I finished off with this Wick Winterberries air freshener, which smells so good. Then the next day I decided to tackle the kitchen. So I worked in sections, cleaning each part of the kitchen and decorating as I went along, starting off with the coffee corner. Before I put the Christmas mugs away, I thought I'd just share with you where they're all from, because I do have a couple of new ones. First off, let's start at the front. This big red one is actually really nice for hot chocolates, and this is from Asda. Then the other one from Asda I picked up last year, if you'd seen my DIY Christmas Eve box. This is a really cute reindeer. I absolutely love this one. I really like the novelty shaped ones, they're just so cute. These two here are Starbucks mugs from Starbucks gift packs. I believe I got in Tesco's, I think a couple of years running. I got Ben a gift pack with coffee, and then it came with the mug with the beautiful candy cane handle. This one at the back is this cute little boot. This comes from our local Christmas market where you can go and get mulled wine and stuff, and you get to keep the cup. And I also have two red boots, which you would have seen over in the coffee corner in the tiered stand. They're also from the Christmas market as well. I have a couple of dog mugs. This one I think Ben's mum got for him. This is from M&S, and inside it just says, "The cat made me wear this hat." Then this mug is a new addition for this year. Ben got me this a couple of weeks ago, and this is from Tesco. Then these last couple of mugs, the first one is this snowman, which is from the range a good couple of years ago, but I know they do bring back the same kind of decor, so you may still be able to get this. But also, if you'd seen my Christmas Come Shop with me when I went to Laura Ashley, they had a really pretty snowman mug that I've got my eye on, and they also have 30% off everything, I think. And this last one is a new one and probably one of my favourites. This I saw a couple of weeks ago. It's from M&S, and it says "Driving Home for Christmas," and it also says the same on the other side. And then inside it just has this pretty holly berry, and I think this was only £6, and they also do plates, sort of the smaller plates as well. Okay, I'm going to get back to putting my mugs in the cupboard, and also I've been watching on Netflix the Princess Switch with Vanessa Hudgens. It's a really lovely Christmas film if you just want something that's easygoing and light-hearted. I wanted to also share with you another Poundland find in the shape of this anti-slip mat that comes on a roll. I had been after some of this for ages to line the cupboards with, but then I found in Poundland this one for the cheapest I'd seen, and all you do is roll it out and cut it to size to fit your cupboards or wherever you need it. as it was getting so dark outside, I wanted to finish up. So I just sprinkled a little bicarb in the sink, and then I sprayed some of my trusty white vinegar over the top just to give the sink a good deep clean. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if it inspired you to have a good old clean. Keep a lookout for my Christmas house tour coming in the next couple of weeks. And in the meantime, let me know in the comments down below when you start decorating for Christmas. I know I've definitely started earlier this year, as I did get a little bit excited, and I do love the whole process of decorating. And I will look forward to seeing you in my next video now. Have a great start to the week, and I will see you then. Take care. Bye.